Hey guys, so we're done shooting and everything, and we have a long extension cable here that we're gonna roll up, and Martin has noticed that I don't really do it the right way, so he's gonna show us how to do it properly. So let me just switch this camera around. All right, Martin, take it away.
Okay, so if you always have problems with your electric cord being bundled up and all tangled up, this is the way to do it, that it doesn't tangle up the next time you unroll it. You take the one side, walk over to the other side. Get these 2 points together and then you do this. And this, by the way, my son who taught me this told me that that's how they do mountain roads for mountaineering. So you do this. Until you have about that much left. Take that, swing it around, and you press that through there, like that. That comes back over there, through that loop. And that's how you have it. There it hangs.
Perfect.
And if you want to carry it somewhere, you do this, and there you go to your shed. And you're going to
Nice.
store it for next time.
Thank you.
It won't tangle again.
So you mind doing that with mine as well?
Sure.